Hi everyone, my name is Chitra and today I am going to show you how to create a professional Excel data entry portfolio project. This is especially helpful if you are planning to work on platforms like Upwork or freelance.com. I will show you everything step by step just like a real client should send a job request. Let's assume a client has sent me this kind of instruction. We are organizing an upcoming company event and have a list of attendees in a PDF file. We need this data accurately transferred into an Excel spreadsheet as soon as possible. Looking forward to your quick support. Thank you. Now I will show you how I handle this kind of task. This is the PDF file that the client provided. As you can see, it includes a list of attendees along with all the required information. We need to manually type this data into Excel column by column. I've opened a new Excel sheet and added headers based on client's instruction, company name, first name, last name, title, city, state, country, email, phone number, and business category. Now I will start entering the data from the PDF one row at a time. Here's the completed Excel file. All the data from the PDF has been neatly entered in the correct format. This is exactly what a client expects when they request PDF to Excel conversion. This type of project is perfect for including in your freelance portfolio. You can upload it to your Upwork profile or attach it while sending job proposals. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscription for more data entry and freelancing tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you want me to share proposal writing tips or more portfolio ideas. Thank you.